Welcome! In today's video I want to show you how you can register and use Bings Exchange. Bings Exchange is here from 2018, and even the trust to exchanges in this period is very low. This crypto exchange is very good for now. I have no issues using it, and they have very friendly user interface, and they are very good for people who are not experienced with trading and with buying and selling crypto on the crypto exchanges. You can register account from the right side. You have register button. You can register account with your email or your phone. Just enter your email and password and click on this button register, and after you get email from Bings, you can confirm your account and start using Bings. When you enter your account, you may explore all these futures from this exchange. In the buy crypto button, you can buy crypto with fiat, and you can buy USDT, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Enter your amount you want to use and click on the buy now. This will open service providers, and you have MoonPay, Banxa and Adava Cash. On the markets button, you can explore all the markets from Bings. You have spot markets, futures markets, new listings and all currencies. On the spot button, you have spot trading, and you have convert button where you can convert easily some of the currencies. This is the easiest option for converting your crypto to USDT or from USDT to some other crypto. If you don't want to use this, you can go to the spot market and use spot market as a standard trading option. On the derivatives button, you have standard futures and perpetual futures. On the standard futures, you can trade some of the standard futures for some of these coins. On the future account, you can use up to 150 times leverage positions. The standard futures are easy way for ordinary investors. For more experienced traders, you can use perpetual futures. On the copy trading, you can copy trading strategies from some of the traders on this exchange. So you have trending traders, conservative traders and rising stars. If you go on this little button, you can check your assets. This is all your assets you have on this exchange. This is your funds, futures, copy trading and grid. After you register account on the Bings, go to the security center and activate Google verification. Link your phone number when you use to withdraw. Always use a very strong password and set the fund password. Also set anti-phishing code for security reasons. When you get email from Bings, if this email is not containing this phishing code, then there is this email is not from Bings Exchange. This was a quick review of the Bings Exchange. So if you want to register, you have link in the description of this video. You can register from that link and support me. You don't lose anything. I will get some commission from your registration, and you will get some bonuses. You can win up to $150 in bonuses if you register through my account. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.